There are some specialists which you cannot get around this region. And those specialists, they come to offer services here from the main hospital, from Kenyatta National Hospital. That is why we can confidently say we are offering all the services which are being offered at Kenyatta National Hospital. Not because that we have employed all the specialists to be resident here, is because they are those specialists, super specialists, who are coming as visiting specialists from KNH Hospital. This farewell home, the way it has been constructed, we use cabinets. So we are using cabinets. For those who entered there, you wouldn't even know where the bodies are placed. So the capacity for the farewell home can go up to 200 and 250 beds. We are also using other innovative methods of body preservation, apart from using the coolers. And this one will ensure that we will have the bodies being maintained there without undergoing any decomposition. There will be no smell in this farewell. And with this now, we'll be able to grow to that level where we can generate our own income and perhaps break even to be able to run the facility. And I think the current guidelines, I think we need to have a bed capacity of about 600 beds. Right now we are at 350 bed capacity, and I believe going forward, once we achieve that, we should be able to finally have our own board. But for now, yes, we have a lot to rely on from Kenyatta. We have a lot also to learn from Kenyatta. And what they are doing mentoring so that we'll grow to that level.